Hello, this is Ali Kotami with SCS Engineers. I thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule and listening to this presentation. This is a short presentation, and the subject of the presentation is cleanouts on Leachate Forcemain. We all know that the Leachate Forcemain is basically the backbone behind management of leachate. After collecting the leachate in landfill cells and removing them out of the cell, which goes into the Forcemain, and from the Forcemain it either goes off-site through a dedicated line to a treatment plant, or goes through the storage tanks or treatment systems that may exist on site. Leachate Forcemain would have to survive for a long period of time, sometimes many decades, to provide functional service to the landfill, not only during the active life of the landfill, but also during the long-term care or post-closure period, which could be a minimum of 30 years for subtitle D landfills, and this period may even be longer depending on certain resolutions or agreements with the agency. So, in order to keep the leachate or liquid passing through the Forcemain, we would have to be able to maintain these pipes, and the best way to do it is through cleanouts that needs to be provided on the Leachate Forcemain, that the operator can go in and clean the pipe once in a while. When I say once in a while, it could be every 7 years or every 10 years or so on and so forth. Leachate Forcemain that has been already constructed and may not have cleanouts on it, it would be up to the operator to take the initiative and to go in, open the trench and add a cleanout to it. But on a going forward basis, if you are designing a new cell, a new expansion, or a whole new landfill, it's highly recommended that you add cleanouts to the Leachate Forcemain. The cleanouts could be a single cleanout or double cleanouts. In this case, this is a single cleanout on a Leachate Forcemain that is already constructed, put together, and is sitting in a trench. As you see, the cleanout provides access for the cleaning equipment to go into the cleanout and reaching inside the Leachate Forcemain. And the best way to do it is through Y couplings on the line. Single cleanouts have to be spaced in such a way that the cleaning equipment can reach from one cleanout to the other. But if the spacing between the cleanouts are much longer and the cleaning equipment cannot reach the entire length of the pipe between the two cleanouts, then the cleanouts have to be double cleanout at each location, which means two of these facing in opposite directions within a few feet of each other, so the cleaning can be done in both directions, and cleaning can be easily achieved by a third party. In this case, it's the same. Another cleanout single pipe is right behind that bend in the line facing to the right, and the cleaning equipment goes in the pipe, extending going forward to the left inside the pipe and cleaning the pipe. That section of the pipe which is to the right side of the cleanout will be cleaned through another cleanout which is further down the pipe, and the clean equipment can reach from that cleanout to this cleanout that you see on the pipe. This is another picture of the same cleanout. By opening the line flange, the clean equipment can be extended into the cleanout and then into the pipe, and going forward to the other in the direction of the upper part of the picture. And the one that is closer to you, the pipe, that segment of the pipe will be cleaned through another cleanout. It is, in this case, Unfortunately, the contractor didn't use a sweeping elbow. Sweeping elbows are highly recommended because it makes it easier for the equipment to pass through and clean all segments of the pipes. This basically concludes this brief presentation, and thank you for your time. And you can reach me on my cell at 561-441-1473, or my email if you have any questions. Thank you.